On a rainy day. We always seem to do this on rainy days. There we have it. We got chicken feed and our goat mix feed to fill up 2 freezers this time.
About 6 months worth.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
What we mix in our feed is 12% sweet feed, alfalfa, sunflower seeds, corn, and oats. Now the ratio that we use for this is our sweet feed is 2 parts, our alfalfa is 2 parts, our sunflower is 1 part, our corn is 1 part, and our oats is 1 part. Now, in the winter time, we do 2 parts corn. And if we're milking, we'll do 2 parts oats. So it just gives it that little boost extra in the mix. Okay, so the question is, why do we mix our own feed? Number one, it's cheaper than buying it pre-mixed by far. I mean, it doesn't even come close in our area. 50 pounds of pre-mixed feed can run you anywhere between $15 to $25 a bag, 50 pounds. When you add it all up, I mean, even if you're buying 1 bag of each of these, it works out so much cheaper. And in my opinion, I think the feed is a little bit more healthier for the goats. And we can change it depending on, what we're doing. Like in the wintertime, adding the extra corn. Or when we have a lot of goats that we're milking, we'll just add that extra bit of oats in just to give them a little bit of a boost. Give their bodies what they need for what we're doing. Alright guys, any questions? Comment down below and we'll see you next time.